Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm going to show you the best eSIM for Sweden, the unlimited data. And before we get started, click the link in the description to check out eSIM and find the right eSIM plan for your trip. So actually guys, in the end of the video I'm going to show you how you can exactly get or install the eSIM app and its profile inside your iOS or Android device, so in both devices. And now guys, I'm going to show you how you can search for the Sweden cards. So go ahead where do you need the internet, or to the search bar right here, just look for the Sweden. So this is the country, go ahead and tap on it. And now you will need to choose or select the number of the days, so go with that option. Go with 20 days. For example, right? So it's up to you. Select the number of the days that you will stay in Sweden, and then go and choose the number of the eSIMs. So you get 10% off for 2 eSIMs or more. Then go with the checkout. So now, guys, you will need to choose the payments method. Then just go with pay right here. And here where I'm going to show you how you can install the eSIM app and its profile on or in your iPhone device. So actually guys, first you will need to get the app from the Apple App Store, and then just go to the eSIM page, tap on the install option as you can see right here, and then go with the eSIM plan as your mobile data, go with primary as your default line, and then just turn on both options, so turn on the line and the data roaming. So that was the first method. Second method is to go to the mobile data inside your device settings, go with add data plan option, go with use QR code right here, scan the QR code, and then just choose the primary as default line, choose the eSIM plan as mobile data, and turn on both options. So for the Android guys, you will need to get the app from the Google Play Store, and then just go ahead, open the app and go to its help center. So then just choose the eSIM installation, go ahead with install option as you can see, go to settings tab or option, activate the eSIM and SIM manager, enable the data roaming, and also you'll need to restart your phone if necessary or requested, so it can take more than once it says. And that was the first method. Second one is to scan the QR code, so you'll need to go to the connections inside your device settings, go with the SIM card manager option, and then go with add mobile plan. So right now you all need to scan the QR code and enable the data roaming. And once again guys, click the link in the description to check out eSIM and find the right eSIM plan for your trip. And thank you so much for watching.